Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's super early in the morning. It's 5 a.m. in the morning, and in this miracle morning I'm going to show you our countryside. Actually this is our farm. I'm going to show you paddy farm. So right now, as you can see behind me, this is a pond. The farmer farming in this pond the fish, and let me turn my camera and show you the green beautiful paddy plant from my village. So guys, you can see right in front of me, this is the paddy plant. Most of the farmer here, they are farming only rice paddy in my village. Look at this green beautiful paddy plant. So guys, after flood in Assam, farmer came back to their farm and started farming right over here. What a beautiful place! I'm so happy to be in this middle of the paddy farm. Have a look. This is actually proper village area, and right now I'm making this video by my mobile phone. My phone camera is not that too much attractive. That side you can see that direction, there are lots of farmers working, because in my village farmer wake up 4 a.m. in the morning and start working in the farm. Take a look. On the electric porch there are lots of birds are staying. Let me go towards that place and show you. Look at that guys, birds are chirping right over here. And as you can see here, farmer throw their paddy seed in order to grow new crop. And this is the new plantation, just fern came from the paddy, you can see. And this is the green beautiful grass you can see right over here on the field. And here one farmer coming from his home. To work on the paddy field. Look at this atmosphere. Today it's little bit cloudy, but it's really wonderful morning. And right now this is the canal. Farmer taking water from this canal, and they are sprinkling water in their paddy crop. So guys, how was my video? I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and if you enjoy, so please don't forget like, subscribe and comment in my YouTube channel. Bye, and see you in the next time.